just tell the two any kirangi August kitawadi candidato on the color reading ani calore ta August go to sasra that is kalongi manisum to traces so the one the energy ra current energy kirangi tambo energy candidato to ta and the chin any kirazula August kitawadi nalani yakpo the karigari chungu the blessings karigari do on the color. And if you want to watch in English, then your timestamp will be in the description. So go check out. Yeah, the tango tell of the so kiranzo current energy in the law. Current energy in Kirala Ilibu, Kirala Karigari Chugitu, what they call current energy like the Kurangi Nanglo, it's so Trotang than the Karidu chat, they do what they call and Kirala Lipu do, Chigarili do chi do, Kirachola Sukari Yungitu, what they call and Kirangi health, and Kirangi relationship, and Kirangi career, and Dichine, Kalore, Kirangi do 3 big blessings, blessings soon by your real and share is past in a mush. Any 3 big blessings, yeah. Okay, any tambu kinala tanda kirangi tanda netang candido chira netang netsu situation do laura or tende candido chito di do di konangira. Okay, ni kinala tanda dilidura. 7 of Wands do and kirangi tanda so kangla kala or best and shimbulian cho nga ti chigi me nga tende ina so pe takchu so pe kala ore karichini ngarang chigi ta suchigi kala nyingi me masona di do me di che di mache di che di do la di yana suchi kanyi me ngarang kari de ba ga on di chigi ina so de ba so takchu so kala confidence to laura pe pobo do shu chimbole de ja so lo te do 동구도라 아니 소소소 이깔이 야통이 ngarang 지도도 아깔이 야도도 알은 소소소 뽀뽀야 키오 데르로제니 오 데르치니 키랑기 깔이 야팅에 도시라 근데 에네 에너지티컬이 게기 뉴바야 유티게 도시키라라 오 데르도시티기도 아니 키랑라 렙규르탄다 카릴리기도 the high priestess leadura ni khenanzola khala ore do to the do ra chezun toma green tara ge dog shuchimbu du inkeranzo deba chini shuchimbu yosaringi simbalara and tende khenanzo deba chigi oina khenanzola lamdo pe shuchimbu na ya choda da chinda gewa dinalara da agasta da chodiora da nala and kerangi kare melam kamne tubia toda ani pe lamdo shuchimbu yug de to tende tingidura ani kerangi khala ore live la pe takchu to go balance yam pe yakora da so duzu 상마 촉직라 많이 받지 두zu 상마나 곱샤게 돼 약고 땅도야라 타임 매니지먼트 올라기다 온디 그런 레칼레 두zu 땅도야 나무 빈치레 두zu 땅도 년년도 나래 두zu 담 아니 소소 트레이닝 갈래 두zu 땅도야 오 텐데 두zu 상마라 땅도야 오 텐데 이케라라 뉴발라오라 온데 식침부 실리도 란슈아이 아 카시티 치도다 소소 시크릿 엔데 따라단다 봐도 케랑기 치도 상마 인조 takinangi hopsla hago echo ata ditawadi nalala o de insiga tente ridwa do so this shocking dora hangdo sangya to da diang tuga rangi be neba yo marila ni shera ta kashi chi do yang so on de kashi chi do so gare samne chi cha dungi do chime ngana so kalaure gut feeling ra the intuition do lai da injinala ina so ngin she do lai da ngin she this mi changma la ngin she chin yore lai ja ni to sam changma la yore lai cha on do this chiglam sang ta chigente jungsar ta sametho da o dia podu ta sametho da dia ko mindu sam tende sam ba dan chen tak ta chai jo kha ta ni sam tende ta na sam sta tak ta jungso lai jo o tende do ra da this intuition gi power te shukchimbo yugo chikiranzo chola o tende chiyungi dura tanda din tawa dinala reda agas nalara ani kiranzo ichi du relation kharsa health reda ngodira health kala night of wands lidura din du kiranzo kalaure health kala yapudu deshara kalaure 미카시 지가 배다 수보 최대는 약보 수라 닝치 모통야 배지 보통야 매 지나기 와나라 원데 배 수보 약보 수 배닝지 뭐 약보 지본 소소 심바이네 배 키우 샤나니 강 the skin 디존에 배 글로 치에도 원데라 텐데다 최대는 칼라 약보 띵기도라 아니 키라조 디스틱 나가니 체 수보 디스 deome tende chini imba ene chinda gewa dinala kiranzo ge dis chita trading gala dis kale gap shoda debupe yakpo du lanira debupe yakpo tun tu du ine da soso dis chik trading chola tang sayo na ani chola tang sayo la da yo maria soso khashi samsam garan so norju ta junk food do da inde shukchimbo sani soso trading soso chola tang geora yang samsam yang chengoma ge le dang ende gi chini soso la nasa da min da chili thia dinde do ta di changma ine kirang ge tawa din nala kirang ge kale dis gap Tara, Singomagi later today, the major in Bata Achang Tungo Ray, in a yam dosta Gawaki to Shuchimbu to be a told all the Nation also laying in Batan, Mata to do, pay me, Gichik pen, so Gawaki Gichik pen to do, pay up a child, me treating all the Doshitungi do. Ani kena tu cerita ni dada supaya japu pe healthy japu yungi di zoi cidu ta kena tu yang yagre do ning cer do zigre do ya pe dongba di zo glow cer ra shine cer di di do cira tinggi tu la cer cinta gewa di trading kan la japu tu la di cer ra ani kena tu gaci da relationship dewa ra sasang pergi dewa pamang pergi dewa ci yora kena kita ho di relationship ra ani king of pentacles ra King of Pentacles lady kiran so gachi dewa dila kalawre dewa dila chirdan de pe ning chemo dura kiran so gachi pe dewa de pe ning chemo pe fruitful da kiran ge kare da dewa to la kali gesha ge ne dila pe response ya purra ya ra kiran ge da soso ge ta karo ani soso kyoga soso ge phama soso bu tunda la kiran ge pe kali gesha ge chi yora ta de tibu yang chu yang kiran la pe response le ra da chu yang pe kiran la pe sewa che pe yak che pe go che o den en kiran ne da the pachawa na shi tsui chi du la de ba khang khang dura da mi lai di pha yak pu chi na ani de la pa pu chu yang yak pu che ani de la ani pe de ba khang satisfaction lai de li yo ra o ten de do chi ra yak pu ting du tewa na la yak pu ting du in kirang single in ba ina ani kirang la thanda chi pe kirang gi pe da ing yo sa mi ten de chi thong na pe khala or pe ga do du simba sho do du la ji ya o ten de do mi chi yang kirang la ta yang kina single inar da ya agas na lo de chi yang kina thugia gi chances lai rata thugia and chung sa re lan shera ani khang da relationship yakudu simje komindu kerangi phata sula sewa chidigi ne samai kera be phaya shukchimbo sewa tyen thugia phaya be shukchimbo khalaure nga jogi gyshap rada gyshap respect lagra relationship nala respect ta men ta top khala yu go re lai cha shimba din zo ta Kore ta ine ta top kala di da respect lai kore lai di la ta o di kirangi da jinda kewa nala kiran ta da ne peche gojuk tsaya gari chik chinara o di ne pe respect chiya ra ani pe sewa tuen tu kya o di ne tungi tu ani kala ore ani kirangi career la this changes shubu chik li do da shocking do chira the tower li do ra this shocking do chik change do chira kirangi yangma bat korang tila lega che samshane pat shimba chigla doshe ta pet kono lega danda tinde chig che digi na ti machini pat shimba chig yang o tinde khangtar da changes shimbu chigra da kira hang sang shocking do tinde changes to chili do career lop chung chingi ne re kira lop tu ki ne re career ne chigla pe change shimbu chili jo kira ani on de ni chig ta khala yang kirangi kalawre lega ditanga chigiyene dela shira ing diligi mindu sambayana da kirangi onde lega samshanda soso ing yesande lega chaga dre tu dangara ta dinde yang lopchong chingi ne da loptuk ta college di yuk saja bat shimba dela dosha tu da yang best kangtar da kalawre changes to chira be shuk chimbu ji kiranzo career nangla yungi du lan shera kashi chigi yang lega tis kodi utap entity da pe kombo ingir da di pe mi kashi da kang chigi chigira tende chigi wa ine kiran zo lega che samshi ta tende da go de u thap mi la go gor ta lega to yo ina ni samshi na ma shi jinda kewa di yakku mindu ra shina sau du lan shen yi da dira mi pe nyu ingir di viver nal ta nga phije pe combo re samgi dura ine khang dar kiran zo ge da normally career kiran zo chik kare chigi ine da changes to chi ra shuk chimbo chi tingi du lan shen yi ra kiran zo ge changes chi expect chigi wa ina ta nga tende changes chi go du samgi wa anta pya bor ta ra onne changes ti li du ra kiran zo chola ani career di son tende to chi du ra khala okay ani da dichine blessings ra three big blessings for you ani kirang get blessings tang body gora khare to the magician kirang khare jigi samne je ma to and mindu la ni she agas ki tawa dina la kirang khare jigi sam ge ne okay go suk shu je shu kirang la blessings du ra kirang je ma to wa ke kuch mindu la ni she yi sang do kirang la ya 개꼬치 제마도 민도 키랑게 다티스 직선반 안당가 텐데 제고삼 이네티스 칼라워 로마다 네하 디교 와이네도 다 키랑 제마도 개꼬치 미도다 블레싱스 리기도 야 키랑 제도야 오 텐데 도지 카리 치기 이 삼교네레다 커리어 칸라레 릴레이션십 칸라레 헬스 칸라레 키랑기라 Kari thola ne kali chi gegi samna ani kirang la kari ine kirang la pala rang du lai cha girwa tang kirang la pala du kirang la pala power di kir girwa tang lai cha o di blessings le du girwa tang tu ye blessings okay ani blessings ni wa di kari le du la na nine of wands ani kirang gi tanda ba to kali du gyap leka du shu chimbo je kali du gyap ta yang na relationship kang la pet se wa che kali du gyap yang na kirang gi lop chong pe kali chap ne jang yang na kirang gi health kang la kali gyap ta kirang dibu tu ke tingi me an kirang dibu di ende to chi ma chi tingi mi da ne kali gyawal ma shi dibu dingi mi du lan kirang de ba ma khang digi wa na ani kirang la chinda ge wa na la satisfaction ta de ba khang khang ta mon ne nya chi kali gyagyo sama dibu de so la cha o di dibu gi blessings di li du kirang so la result lagi ra o di blessings di li du dok lam dok ra okay ani kirang gi suba Somebody karidula na king of wands leader ani kirang zo future kala ba ya ko chashi dik tu ya an kirang ge ta future la depends are o di che go a depends mare o di che me ta samya de o so so ba ta chu bu cha to e cho o di blessings leader lan che blessings sumba be strong to ra kirang zo future chola be planning ya ko dik tu ya me tan tan ne go o ta chi ma de chi leader 코리오이나 데리치 차두고도 시츄에이션이나 데리 카타 참마 데리치 듀르두고다 잠니이나 데리 촐라다 데리 촐다 AI 기 촐라 두두 라이차다 데리도 지금 식심부 두다 다 디토랑아 직 제오 라이차 단단히 거로 직 제오 라이차 지망아 삐하고 페도 오 데리 플래닝 삐하고 딕투야 그런 빼 레바 샵 또 차도 에너제틱 도라 직 액션이네 그런 게 렌토게 알레가 이네 카지기 섬 제도야 오 되게 blessing sumba dikhiran ga chodi resha ani khanda blessing sumka pengin chimudura ani kiran so reading ya takam sre dawadina lara ani kiran so message kari goyu bati takta ta rayo pe rewa ye ani kiran gi channel dila subscribe na ro channel share yi ani khalaure and sim na so to da khare gare so so chik lapni thya to da tendi yo ina comment section la thi lan share okay ani nyur to che yong bye bye. Okay, so if your Tibetan zodiac sign is monkey, then this reading is for you, and I will try my best to explain in English because I have received a lots of requests from you guys saying that please speak in English. So I am trying my best. I hope you receive your message very well from this reading. Okay, so this is about what is happening for you in August month, and August is already started, so something from these messages already happening with you maybe. Okay, so first I'm going to do your current energy. I'm going to read your current energy. Okay, so for your current energy, this is coming seven of wands. It says that you are taking actions to improve yourself, and you are taking stand for yourself. If people are telling you so many different things, then you are not listening to them. You are taking stand for yourself and you are working to improve yourself. Okay, this kind of energy is coming for you, right? This is your current energy, and your upcoming energy is the high priestess. So if you believe in green tara, the blessings are coming from green tara towards you. Okay, and if you are having difficult to manage your timetables, then you are going to manage very well in this August month. You are going to manage everything. You are balancing everything. You are balancing your relationship, your health, your career, your study, everything. Okay, and some secrets are unfolding in front of you in this August month. Okay, and about your health looks very good. Even if you are going through some health issues, you can fight with that, and you can deal with that, and you are going to be very good in August month. Okay, and you are going to be, you're also very healthy and glow, and you will look beautiful, or you'll look very handsome in this August month, and you will look very healthy. Okay, if you are going through some difficulties, health issues, then you are going to fight with that as well, and you are going to feel very good. So health looks very good. Okay, and about your relationship, king of pentacle is coming, so you are going to be very passionate towards your parents, your loved ones, your life partner, your child. So you are going to be very passionate towards them. So in and you will see the result of, if you love them, then they will also love you very deeply, and you're going to be very satisfied in relationship, that you will see very good results from them as well. About your career, the tower card is coming, so you are going to be shocked. Okay, there's something big change is coming your way. So if you wanted that change, is if you are already expecting that change, then this is going to be very good because you were expecting that. But if you were not expecting something like this kind of change, then you have to work towards to make very good foundation whatever you do. Okay, so if you are a student, if you are working, you have to make your foundations very strong, otherwise some big change is coming your way. This can be also you are going to leave this current job and you are going some totally different place to work, different kind of workplace. Okay, so this can also happen, so something shocking is coming your way, I can see like that in August month. And about your three big blessings, the first blessing is saying that you are blessed with whatever you want to do. You have the power to do that. Okay, so you have the power, you can do that. The blessing is saying that you can do whatever you want. You just have to have a little bit faith in yourself. Okay, this kind of blessing is coming your way. And second blessing is whatever you do hard work, and you do hard work towards career, towards relationship, or towards health, but still if you don't see any result, good result, positive result, then in this August month you will see the positive result as a blessing. Okay, so you are going to be very happy because you will see the positive result. Wherever you work very hard, you put your efforts, you will see the result. This is your second blessing. And your third blessing is you are going to take very good planning and action towards your future. You're going to feel like, okay, I have to plan this is going to be in the future, and if I do this right now, I will be very good in the future. This is my future. You are going to take lots of actions towards your future. Okay, this is your third blessing, and you are going to have lots of energy. Okay, sometimes if you feel like I am not able to do whatever I wanted, I feel lazy, if you feel like that, then in this August month the blessing is energy. You will have lots of energy and you can do whatever you wanted, and you can apply that and take actions, and you'll feel like, oh my god, I'm so active in this August month. You will feel like that. Okay, so these three are your blessings, and your health, everything is good. So I hope you received your message very well, and be ready for your career. Okay, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that I will see you very soon again. Bye bye.